Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super glowy summer makeup look with a pop of color on the eyes. So let's get started. I've already done my skincare. I've used a serum and a moisturizer, so my skin is ready for some makeup. I'm going to be mixing a foundation with a liquid highlighter. I've got the Clinique Even Better Glow Light Reflecting Makeup, and this is one of my favorites currently. And the illuminator I'm using is by Wet n Wild. This is one of the mega glow ones. So I've used a bit of the illuminator which I've blended into my skin. I've also mixed a bit of that into my foundation, and the result is going to be just like a really radiant glowy base. If you're looking for something light to medium coverage with a really radiant finish, the Clinique foundation is a really good option. I've been using it a lot the past few months. Coming to the eyes, I'm using this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. I'm going to use that peachy nude color, and I was very impressed by the color payoff. The color is very pigmented. It transferred really well to the eyes. I'm using it all over the lid. Then I'm going to use the lighter transition shade from the same palette for my crease. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner for my lower lash line, and this is a really beautiful bluish green turquoise color, just really very pigmented and gives you that instant pop of color that you're looking for in a fresh summer look. To fill in the brows, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Artist. I'm using the wax side first, and this gives you a nice defined look. And I'm going to top it up with the darker powder just to give more definition to the arches. To set the oilier parts of my face, I'm using a powder. This one is by Milani, and the thing I like about this is that it has a very luminous finish. It's not a very dry powder. Next, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Contour, and I'm going to do just a little bit of contouring with this under the cheekbones, along my jawline, and just a tiny bit along the sides of my nose. Next, I'm going to use the Nykaa blush duo in Malibu Barbie, and I'm using the lighter pink from this. This gives that really pretty healthy flush, and in general I really like the Nykaa blushes. I think the colors are just very well suited for Indian complexions. For highlighting, once again I'm using one of the Nykaa highlighters. I'm using the lighter golden color from this, and using a fan brush to very gently apply this. This is a pretty high voltage highlighter. If you use it with a heavy hand, you can get like a pretty intense highlight, but I'm going for medium intensity today. I'm using a bit of the same to highlight the inner corners as well. For the lips, I'm going for a fresh natural pink, and this is by Lakme. The color is called Mauve Fix, and it is one of my favorites. For the lashes, I'm going to be using two mascaras. Both of these are from the Swedish brand Isadora. I'm going to use the curling one, and this one is in the shade brown black, so it's actually a really good one for day-to-day wear. And you can see it gives you really nice thick lashes. I'm going to top it up with the darker one, the black one, just because I like a blacker finish. And that is the final finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you recreate this look, do let me know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.